Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, could you please spare just 5 minutes for a noble cause? It's about an Islamic school and the Muslim students whose education is at stake. This is Rashid Matriculation School constructed by the Rashidin Trust, which is an absolutely non-profit motive and a purely service-oriented trust. It's situated in Vyasarpadi, which is one of the most backward areas of Chennai. It's functioning from the year 2018. The school caters to the education need of the children from 20,000 poor and middle class Muslim families living around it. At present, 400 students from LKG to 8th standards are studying in the 12 classrooms of the ground and first floors. This is the beautifully designed and constructed courtyard of the school where daily assembly is held. The spacious kindergarten class has got play kits within the classroom and smart TV facilities to make learning enjoyable. This is a full-fledged computer laboratory where proper computer training is imparted by the qualified and skilled computer teachers. The library, with a large collection of books, helps the children cultivate the reading habits. The main object of the trust is to impart quality general education combined with Diniyat education in a complete Islamic environment. The object is being implemented in letter and spirit. From 6th standard onwards, there are separate classrooms for the boys and girls. There are two different timings and two separate entrances also for the boys and girls. The school has all modern facilities with very good infrastructure on par with the highly reputed schools of Chennai city. But the tuition fees being collected as fixed by the government of Tamil Nadu only. No additional amount is being collected as the school is totally non-remunerative and service oriented. Tajweed and Tahfiz classes are conducted on daily basis and the Zuhar prayer is also performed daily with Jamaat. The students are taking their lunch following the Sunnah. The Sunnah way of life is being taught and practiced in school and at home. The classes from LKG to 8th standard are functioning in the 12 classrooms constructed in ground and first floors. And an additional 8 classrooms are to be built immediately on the incomplete second floor of the school building for the students of 8th, 9th and 10th standard in the coming academic year 2021-22. If these 8 classrooms are not built immediately, the education of 103 students studying in the 8th standard now will be at stake and they will not be able to continue their studies. Even the school will not be allowed to continue function without these additional classrooms. In such a dire situation that we seek your help to build 8 classrooms. Dear Muslims and brothers and sisters, the school land and building worth of more than 12 crores is the property of the whole Muslim community. Of course, we need 40 lakhs to complete the construction of 8 classrooms. But your contribution towards the cost of even one brick of the school building matters most for us and it will be of great help for us. It is a sadaqah jariyah. There is income tax exemption also for the amount donated to our trust. Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, Ittaqun nar walau bishiqqi tamra. Protect yourself from the hellfire by giving sadaqah even with half of a date. These are contact details.